everyone, Prestissima here. Today we're going to learn a Brazilian folk song called Pirulito. Let's have some fun. Alright, Pirulito is in the key of blank major. So let's take a look at the key signature. There are no sharps and no flats. So we're in the key of C major. Also, let's take a look at our key signature, our time signature. It's 4/4, meaning we have 4 beats per measure, and the quarter note gets the beat. All right, so let's jump right in and look at some tips. All right, first thing we notice is this is a pickup measure, right? Because this isn't a whole measure. This is the E and A of beat 4, right? So let's see here. Definitely we're going to have some subdivisions. So I'm going to subdivide into 4 so I can make sure to play all of those correctly. And then we are going to start on our 2 finger on E, right? So let's go slow. So we're going to do 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. Okay, now in that, all of our fingerings are going to fall pretty naturally once we start on 2. But here, if you notice, we have a little crossover, right? So we put in the number 1 there for you, right? And we go to 3 because that's pretty easy. And then I stretched up to the 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross over that 3 finger. Okay. And, you know, if you run out of fingers, that's what we do, right? We cross over our 3rd finger and try to keep going. Okay. Now, when we keep going, we pick it up. It's like a pickup measure that we had here. And then notice it kind of repeats, right? In fact, it repeats exactly. So we're going to do our 2 finger again. Oops, what did I do with my pencil? Oh, there it is. I'm going to go ahead and write in 2 so I remember that I want to start with my 2 finger in there. So we have 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. And then, remember we played the 1 there, so I'm going to remind myself that we go to 1 and a 1 E and a 2 E and stretch to 3, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and crossover, E and a 3 E and. Okay, now I'm gonna jump here. You can either play the 5 finger and then move your whole hand, so 3 E and a 4 E and a, or 3 E and a 4 E and a. So if you can stretch all the way to your 4 finger on that, you can do that. 3 E and a 4 E and a, or you could do 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, whatever's easiest for you. All right, now let's look at this fun left hand. So a lot of movement it looks like, right? Look at all of those fun jumps, okay? Starts on 1, and here's a big tip. So we're gonna start on the 5 finger on that low C, but then I'm gonna go ahead and jump my 5 finger up to that G. Okay, so 1 E and, okay, and then a 2 E and a. 1 E and a 2 E and a. Okay, so we move 5 to 5. I'll notate it so I remember. But we don't have to write it every time because that's going to be the pattern. We're going to do 5, 5 chord, 5, 5 chord, 5, 5 chord, 5, 5 chord. So every time we see that pattern, we're going to do 5 and then jump our hand up to 5 and the chord. So we have 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and then jump our hand up, a 2 E and a, all the way down, 1 E and jump up, a 2 E and a, and then what do we have? 1 E and jump up, a 2 E and a. Okay, we get this pattern? Now, we're going to come down here. We're going to some single notes, right? So start on the 3rd finger on the E. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and then jump up 5 to the chord, a 4 E and a, and then 1 E and a, oops, I'm going to do 5, right? 5, 5. Don't forget. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, so I'm always jumping 5 to 5, 5 to 5. Okay, now what do we have? Oh, now we have some 16th notes, but we're still going to do the 5-5 pattern, the 5 to the 1 chord pattern. So we have 1 E and then jump up. Okay, so we have the 16th notes, 1 E and then jump your hand up, a 2 E and then 3 E and a 4 E and a. So we're still jumping our hand up for 5 and the chord, right? Then let's jump all the way down here, down to the G here, 1 E and jump, a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, good. Now, this is a little bit different. We don't have to jump so far, so we're going to go 1 E and a 2 E and a. And then here, I'm going to play 2 1 2. 3 E and, okay? So 3 E and then I'm going to jump. A 4 E and a. So let's do that part again. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, let's try it one more time. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, so remember that 2 1 2 fingering there. And then let's go to the end here. It's going to be 1 E and then jump our hand up, right? A 2 E and a. And then we have 3 E and then jump our head up. A 4 E and a. That was a little bit bigger stretch, okay? So 5, and then if you can, 1 and 3. Want to do that measure again? So we have 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, good job, everyone. All right, now what does it say down here? It says name the interval of the last 2 notes in the right hand of this song. Okay, so the right hand. Oh, what is this interval right here? Okay, we have E to C. I can tell from looking at it what it is. That is a 6th, right? We saw a whole bunch of those in Cielito Lindo. Okay, now it says name the interval of the last 2 notes in the left hand of this song. Okay, here we go. This is the last 2 notes of left hand. That's easy. That one's a 5th. Okay, no more questions. We're done. All right, this is a super fun song, but it can be a little bit tricky when you put the hands together. So make sure you play that right hand slowly until you get it perfect. Then you're going to play that left hand slowly, and then you'll put them together. If you play them slowly, hands together, you can see where all the notes fit together. Okay? Excellent. So today we worked on a lot of super fun rhythms in our new song, Pirulito. Keep practicing all your songs, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!